Cycling shoes have hard, stiff soles, a retaining system, and straps that fit snugly around your arch, and cleats that hold your feet securely in place on the pedals. These are some of the best shoes available in the market. The City Dominator shoes is a high-end cross-country mountain bike shoe. It features a super efficient mud-shedding tread design, and its nylon platform directs all your power to the pedals. It is made with nylon outer sole with high durameter rubber lugs for long-lasting performance. Also, the two high-security Velcro straps won't shift or slip. The adjustable soft instep closure system and padded tongue eliminate pressure points. The City heel cup stabilizes and supports the heel to reduce slippage and increase power transfer. Gyro Wind bike shoes are made of microfiber and mesh, joined with laces for an extra customizable and comfortable fit. For the added stability, it uses a sizable hook and loop strap, crosses the midfoot to provide extra support. It features a molded EVA outsole that's just the right amount of rigid to prevent annoying hot spots and still allow you to walk comfortably on the outsole's rubber walking zones. The Pearl Azumi Women's W X-Road Fuel 2 shoes are bonded, seamless upper, delivering all-day riding comfort and durability. Low-cut construction provides fast fit and feel. The built-in lace garage eliminates drivetrain interference. Also, it has a rubber-lugged outsole for superior traction and durability. The fiberglass-injected composite shank maximizes power transfer to the pedals, while the EVA Run shoe foam midsole ensures all-day comfort. The Shimano Women's SH-MT3W Multisport comes with a high-performance off-road cycling shoe with walkability of light hiking shoes. The glass fiber reinforced shank plate helps in the optimum sole rigidity. Also, the EVA midsole and rubber sole enhance pedaling efficiency and walking comfort. The one-piece construction creates an upper with a secure fit, increased durability, and lighter weight. It offers speed lacing that allows fast, easy adjustments, and the top strap offers additional adjustability. The 510 men's Kestrel cycling shoe comes with an upper and lining that is made from synthetic leather to deliver durability and comfort. It offers a superb cushioning and high friction so you can enjoy a high-performance MTB SPD shoe. It also has a hydrophobic foam midsole which provides cushioning and won't soak up the water. The reinforced toe boxes with rubber toe bumpers protect against impact and enhance durability. It uses synthetic toe for weather resistance and easy cleaning. Another advantage is that the non-slip heel cup to reduce torsional flex. The Pearl Azumi Men's All-Road 2 cycling shoe features synthetic leather and nylon mesh uppers, which are breathable and durable. The low-cut ankle support reduces the overall weight. Also, the 3 hook and loop closure straps are angled to follow a more anatomic curve, ensuring an evenly tensioned fit and the elimination of hot spots. The insoles will provide excellent arch support and cushion. It has a low profile, concave shaping of footbed plate cradles the foot for support, comfort, and pedaling efficiency. The Louis Garneau Multi-Air Flex shoes hold the first place among the list of best shoes for indoor cycles. These are perfect for all your riding needs from training to commuting to weekend rides. The outsole offers right toe flexion for walking while preventing heel pressure. Also, the outsole is ventilated for more airflow and less overheating. The shoes weigh 320 grams and the heel reflector ups the safety ante with improved visibility. The 3 hook and loop straps allow for easy adjustment while riding. The HRS-80 retention keeps the heel firmly in place, and the Velcro straps are comfortable to adjust and provide excellent support. Let us know that you loved what you saw by liking the video. Support us by subscribing to our channel and let us know what you thought using the comments.